Hello everyone, welcome back with LotuszenTan. Today we're meeting again for another sharing session on how you can gradually sit in a full lotus position, Padmasana, starting from just 5 minutes and potentially increasing to 30 or even 60 minutes, especially for beginners. Today I'll skip the warm-up steps and guide you straight into the full lotus meditation practice. If you want to reduce pain while sitting and be able to sit longer, I recommend checking out the warm-up video link below in the description. It includes simple stretches to help prepare your body, inspirational reminders before we begin. Just 5 minutes of meditation can shift your mind. 1 hour can transform your inner world. You don't need to escape your life. Just return to your breath. Meditation helps you reclaim the peace that stress has stolen. Do you have 5 minutes that's enough to start a calmer day? In the chaos of daily life, even a few moments of stillness can be medicine for the soul. There's no such thing as enough time, only the decision to prioritize peace. Meditation is the art of pausing, so you can move forward more clearly. 1 hour of meditation doesn't slow you down. It helps you live more deeply. Meditation isn't about doing, it's about being and allowing things to return their natural state. Start with 5 minutes of silence and it might change your entire noisy day. Many people ask, why should we try to sit longer in meditation? That's the question I will explore with you in this session. In life, our worries and calculations follow us constantly, even in our thoughts. Whatever we stress about during the day often continues to harm us at night, even in our sleep. We may think it's harmless, but over time those mental habits embed themselves deep in subconscious, and strangely, our desire and worries just seem to grow bigger every day. Eventually, they start to impact our internal organs and nervous system. Did you know that positive thoughts can positively affect your internal organs, while negative thoughts can lead to nervous breakdowns and internal imbalances? When we sit long enough in meditation, we start to clearly see how thoughts affect our body, moment by moment, through each breath in and out. Meditation isn't just a practice, it's a healing journey. Someone approach meditation out of curiosity. Others come because they in pain, physically, mentally, or emotionally, and for them meditation becomes a place to pause, to heal, and to find rest. For beginners, sitting in full lotus position is truly a challenge. Don't worry, you can meditate in any posture that's comfortable as long as you can focus and observe your body and wandering mind. The full lotus is more suitable for those with flexibility and deeper practice, and it makes self-observation easier. Now we'll begin the practice, lasting anywhere between 5 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your capacity. Throughout the next 60 minutes, I will describe how your mind changes as you move from 5 to 60 minutes with stillness. Inhale, gently follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down to your belly. Feel the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. If you can already sit in full lotus position for 5 minutes, just a little more effort will bring you to 15 minutes. With consistent practice, the normal person can reach 30 minutes or even 1 hour within 6 months. However, if you stop midway, your leg muscle may tighten again and you'll have to start over from 5 minutes. So, why do we keep sitting when the pain comes? Not because we're torturing ourselves, but because within discomfort, we can begin to observe the mind mechanism for more clearly. When you start understanding how both body and mind operate, you'll be less likely and panic in daily life. When the body is overworked, your nervous and immune system respond by making you feel tired. Interestingly, when certain muscles tighten, your body releases natural chemicals to soothe your nerves or ease the mind. When you sit in the full lotus and feel this muscle tension, the same chemical reactions happen, but this time we are fully awake and aware, observing the body and mind in action. Inhale, gently follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down to your belly. Exhale, feel the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. Meditations and breath are inseparable companions. Through breath, we understand our body and mind. Through the body and mind, we guide our breath into balance. For beginners, it helps to have someone remind you to stay focused. But once you sit longer, you'll develop a habit of gently reminding yourself. The longer you sit and observe, the more you understand how your mind works. Painful sensations arise, triggering thoughts, and emotions respond. Your mind brings up desire, anger, pride, confusions, and in stillness, it becomes easier to observe why they appear. Often, whatever you overthink about during the day will return again and again, asking for your action. If you try to ignore it, it will come back even stronger, sometimes as vague images that stir up your emotion. Only through stillness can you find better ways to respond than just reacting blindly. We often send on our energy outward, trying to control the world, but forget to return home to check in with ourselves. Lotus meditation reveals it at all. Full Lotus meditation helps you see the entire process of how thoughts arise, persist, and fade. When you build the patience to sit for 5, then 15, then 30 to 60 minutes, your mind will naturally calm down. The breath becomes your anchor to observe both body and mind with clarity. This builds resilience, patience, and inner strength. During meditation, you must personally go through each state. To avoid going in circles, it is helpful to have guidance from someone experienced when necessary. And eventually, the doors will open and your deep questions will find their own answer. At that point, you'll walk the path on your own. But in the beginning, your effort matters most. I believe you can overcome it through your consistent effort. If you don't reach me results you want yet, that's okay. Don't cling too tightly to expectations during meditation. Too much craving leads to less awareness and you lose the essence of the practice. To sit for 5, 30 or 60 minutes, you need strong effort and clear faith. Faith in the practice, its cause and its effects. When love is free of calculations, it grows naturally and sustainable. And so does your connections to meditation. In the upcoming session, I will share more about longer stays of sitting meditation. The journey in the game of the breath will become more and more fascinating if you truly cherish it. This habit also holds the key to unlocking every gateway to explore both body and mind. So stay tuned and continue practicing with me in this video and the next video. If you have any thought or reflections, feel free to leave the comment below. And if you found this video helpful or inspiring, please click subscribe, like and share with others. Thank you.